Hi guys, this is going to be the no makeup look. I have a request for this look, which is very weird to me. I don't know why you would buy makeup, put on makeup only to look like you're not wearing makeup. So first I'm going to be defining my brows. Then I'm going to be defining my brow with my Ruby Kisses level 11. Then I'm just going to blend that out. In order for you to achieve a no makeup look, you do not need to contour. The minute you put contour on, everything is going to stand up and look unnatural. As far as you're concerned, I think it looks beautiful and quite natural. So in order to achieve a no makeup look, all you have to do is just don't contour. So I'm going to be applying Black Opal's Carob. And of course you would prime. I'm just not priming today. And you don't want to glob it on, you want to just put on enough to hide the imperfections. And I believe if you're doing a no makeup look, if some of the imperfections are shining through, it gives the illusion of the no makeup. I just want to put on enough to hide the bulk of the imperfections if you have any. And of course your eyes. So we're not going for flawless, we're going for natural. Then I'm going to take my powder foundation, Classique Espresso, and just set everything. For the eyes, I'm just going to be lining them and putting on mascara. No wing liner, because that ain't natural. No long ass lashes, because for some people that's natural, but for the bulk of us, that ain't natural. And that's the look. Completely natural looking makeup, not to say the key to natural makeup is to just not highlight, not low light. The key to natural looking makeup is not to contour. Anything you think to add on, don't. You just want to cover. You understand? So you just want to cover imperfections. If you have any, you don't even have to use a foundation. If you have flawless skin or flawless skin, you just need like a powder foundation. You're good to go. Like the MAC powder foundations. If you have flawless skin, you can just wear those and you're good to go. So that's it for this look, you guys. It's pretty simple. It can be like a go-to work look as well. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do. The aim, remember, is to just keep it looking extremely natural, no contouring. For my lips, I'm going to be wearing Mary Kay and Play Lip and Cheek Stick. Or you can grab a lip gloss. Yeah, and that's it, guys, for this no makeup look. Remember, the aim is to not contour. Do not contour, do not highlight, do not low light, and you can achieve a no makeup look. Alright, so that's it. And I think it's pretty simple to go to work too as well. If you're in a crunch and you can't do all the fandangles, just remember, just cover imperfections. And it doesn't have to be flawless, just cover it, because if it isn't naturally flawless, I mean, if you're me, it's not. Alright guys, thank you so much for requesting this look, and see you in the next video.